Some stories are written in history books. Others are etched into stone. Every headstone represents a life of service, family forever changed, and a promise made to a nation. That promise was then met with another. Volunteers from Northwest Redwater Refinery chose to give something that can never be replaced: their time.
Excellent way that we can give back to our veterans who allowed us to live the lifestyles that we have, the freedom that we enjoy, and again, align very well with the values that we hold dearly at NWR.
Not for recognition, not for reward, but to ensure that those who served are remembered with the dignity they earned.
The importance of recognizing service, remembering people with families, on behalf of our country, we decided to take part. Stated to see, we have a good group, about 30 to 40 of us, scrubbing graves, reporting any damaged graves. We brought our kids, teaching them about humility, respect, and service.
Every brushstroke, every cleaned marker, every moment spent here was a quiet act of gratitude.
Yeah, no, we're out here paying back to the community and cleaning up some fallen veterans' graves. And you can see there's a big turnout for NWR and our families. And it's just our way of saying thanks to the fallen.
Because remembrance isn't just something we say, it's something we do. On June 12, 2026, these names were spoken again. These stories were remembered again. These sacrifices were honored again. We all die twice. First time, when we take our final breath. Second time, someone speaks our name. The last time.